Well, on my last day before I go back to work, I did get it running. I'll give you guys what I've done to the car since then. Let me go to the other side. Alright, on this side, I got the relay harness or panel in, and I basically have, if you guys can see it, ghetto fabbed my fuel pump for now. I just wanted to see if the car would run. The pump's grounded, and the ribbon wire goes out to the front. Here's how I ran the harness. The igniter and the ECU all put in. The relays right here. And sorry, back at it. My dad was talking to me, but ECU's been mounted up. The ribbon wire going up to the front. It's just all kind of put in, like, not permanently, just so I could see it run. Basically, to make this whole thing run, fuel pump, red wire is the ignition, and the brownish gray, it's supposed to be brown, but it looks gray, starter signal. And then obviously you need your main power to go to the battery. We'll hop on out here. Another little ghetto setup. The switch panel, power supply goes over and to the battery. Then ground to the frame and to the motor, and there's like 3 other grounds. Then here's the switch panel. And I already got the reaction video of the first start. I'll put that right towards the end. I'll show you guys the start real quick. I already started too much. The motor is a little too warm for no coolant, but I'll show you. So lights are red. You got your fan, which isn't hooked up. Fuel pump, which if you can hear it. Ignition and start. Here it goes. Oop, try it again. Might be because it's warm. Let me try hitting the start button and give it a little throttle. There it is. Now it's running. We'll kill it. But it runs, and it runs good. It's just running that way because, for one, it's a little warm and the sensors aren't knowing what the hell's going on because the coolant's not in it, and it doesn't know what the temperature it's running at. And I haven't wired up the check engine light, so I don't know if there is actually a check engine light on, but it runs good. No smoke or nothing, which is awesome, especially on first start. But still need all the stuff for, like, power steering, intercooler, radiator hoses, bunch of battery cables because all this ghetto setup. I think that's about it. A lot of stuff in here too. Another thing I did that I didn't mention was I gutted this steering column. The stuff for the horn and everything are gone. The turn signals, all of it's gone. I think that's it. I did figure out a gauge cluster. Probably gonna be the first person to ever do it. But here's the old cluster. I took the backing out, which is over there. And basically I'm going to bolt a plate. Let me get the focus. bolt a plate to these holes all the way around, and I can drill my holes for the gauges, and then the gauges will be behind this, and it'll still look factory and look good. So that's pretty sweet. But I think that's it for today. Just a short video. I'm gonna put my reaction video at the end, right after this, about far as I've gotten. Now the car's basically going to be on hold because I'm going back to work. But I can't even believe it. My first time doing a full gutting, ripping all the wires out, putting in this universal wiring specialties harness, which worked awesome, and wiring up the switch panel, and it all worked first time. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Recording. Check the numbers. Oh boy. Fuel pump. Ignition. Oh my god. I can't even believe it.